Hi guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my vegetable shrimp wrap. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. Guys, all of my recipes are listed in the description box. Go ahead and try them out. Let me know what you think. Also, you can follow me on Facebook. My Facebook link will be in the description box. Go ahead and follow me over on Facebook and tell your friends about Kali J's Kitchen. So this is a real easy and simple recipe. Here I have my wraps. I also have my shrimp and it's already seasoned. I also have my lettuce. And I'm also going to add some carrot strips. I also have Tastee Cheese. And guys, as you know, it's Christmas, so I'm gonna add a little piece of ham. So first what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and cook my shrimp. Now you know guys that shrimp doesn't take a long while to cook. So I'm just going to go ahead and cook my shrimp for about 4 minutes, 2 minutes on both sides. And I'm also going to go ahead and cook my carrots. For the ham is already cooked. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add it to the microwave, give it a minute, and then I'm going to remove it. So first what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and add a piece of anchor butter to my frying pan. And you want your butter to melt. Once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Kali J's Kitchen. Tell your friends about Kali J's Kitchen. Help get me to 2K subscribers. And also share my videos. And again guys, you can follow me on Facebook, Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link will be in the description box also. So now that my butter is melted, I'm going to go ahead and add my shrimp. And as I said before guys, you know, shrimp doesn't take a long while to cook because you don't want to overcook your shrimp. So basically shrimp will take about 4 minutes to cook, 2 minutes on both sides. And as you can see, my shrimp start to cook already. So I'm just gonna turn them over on the other side. Once again guys, go ahead and subscribe to Kali J's Kitchen. Go ahead and tell your friends, tell your family members about my cooking channel. I try to make my recipes easy and simple for you guys. And you can also send me a DM via Instagram or send me a message via Facebook of a meal that you want to see me prepared for you. Alright guys, so as you can see, my shrimp is almost cooked. So what I'm going to do now, the same pot that I cook my shrimp in, I'm just going to go ahead and add my carrot. And I'm just going to saute this for about a minute or two, because you don't want your carrot to overcook. You don't want it to be too soft. You want it to still have a little crunch when you're eating your wrap. Alright guys, now that I'm finished with my shrimp and also my carrots and my it's time to go ahead and start making my wrap. And I also have some toothpick, guys, that I'm going to use to hold my wrap together. So first, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take 2 wraps. And I'm going to add some of the lettuce. And guys, as you can see, my lettuce is fresh. Now, after I'm finished adding the lettuce, I'm just going to go ahead and add some of the shrimp on top. Now I'm just adding the carrots. And also, I'm going to add the ham. And of course, I'm going to add some of the Tastee cheese. So now that I'm finished adding the Tastee cheese, the ham, the shrimp and the lettuce, it's time to, and also the carrot, it's time to go ahead and start wrapping. So I'm just going to fold that over. And guys, as you see, it start to break apart, and it's the reason I'm going to use 3 wraps. So I'm just going to wrap this, and I'm just going to push in both ends because you don't want the lettuce to be coming out. And just to hold it together, I'm going to add the toothpick. Then I'm going to slice this in 2 halves and show you the inside. And guys, this is what the inside looks like with the ham. So now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and make another wrap. This time I won't be using any ham. All I'm going to use is the lettuce, the shrimp, the carrot, and the Tastee cheese. So as you can see, I add the lettuce first. Then I'm going to add the shrimp. Then I'm adding the Tastee cheese. Now guys, if you're not a lover of cheese, you don't have to add your cheese. Also, if you don't want to use shrimp, if you don't want to use your ham, you can go ahead and add chicken, whatever you want. So now that I'm finished adding the lettuce, the carrot, the cheese, and the shrimp, it's time to go ahead and wrap. And of course, I'm going to add an additional wrap just to hold it firm together. And add my toothpick. And I'm just gonna slice in half and show you the final product. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my vegetable shrimp wrap. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you try this recipe. Once again guys, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye!